Hello everyone! Most apps today offer us a light and dark theme. Unlike them, the Tumblr app has taken it a step further by offering several different themes you can choose from. Today, I'll show you how to find the theme settings and select the one you want. Let's get started. Open the Tumblr app on your phone. Tap on the avatar icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the settings icon. Go to account settings by clicking here. Here you won't find something like themes or light or dark mode. Instead, we have the color palette option. Tap on it. Now, you'll see 5 available color palettes, or themes. The first one is True Blue. Here's how it looks. The second is Dark Mode. This is the standard dark theme. You can see how it looks on the screen. The third theme is Low Contrast Classic. This theme is similar to the standard dark theme but with less black and a lighter blue. The fourth theme is Goth Rave. It's a dark theme with purple, giving it a 90s vibe. The last one is the Pride theme. I'll select the standard dark theme. You can choose the one you like. And that's it. If this video was helpful, give it a like and share it. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon with more tutorials.